Are you ready to tap into the vast potential of AI and start your own business in a rapidly evolving digital landscape? Artificial intelligence has emerged a game changer, revolutionizing industries and creating unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs. By the end of this video, you will discover the top 10 untapped AI business you can now start. Let's begin. Number 10, e-commerce stores powered by AI. The emergence of AI and machine learning open up new avenues for launching an e-commerce venture that harness the power of AI algorithms. These algorithms can deliver personalized product recommendations, deploy custom smart chatbots, and offer advanced search functionalities. By incorporating these AI driven features, the shopping experience for customers can be significantly enhanced, leading to a surge in sales and highlighted level of customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI can revolutionize the process of product designing for customers. By analyzing customer interaction behavior and level of engagement, AI can facilitate the personalization of the custom experience. This presents a remarkable opportunity to provide accurate product recommendations and streamline the entire shopping process. An exemplary instance of this is Site, a platform that employs AI to power visual search and recommendation engines for retailers. With the integration of AI and organic marketing, the possibility for success in the e-commerce industries are boundless. Numbers 9, AI generated art. Throughout the history, art has played a vital role in human society, serving as a means to express and communicate our experience and ideas. From the earliest cave painting to the masterpiece of Renaissance, art has continually elevated alongside our civilization. In recent years, remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence have opened up new possibilities for integrating AI into the art. One area where AI has shown great potential is in the creation of art for point on demand dropshipping. By leveraging AI generated art, entrepreneurs can produce a wide range of products including t-shirt, puzzles, mugs, and notebooks without incurring any upfront cost. AI generated art is entirely legal and offer a abundance of creative possibilities. By harnessing the power of AI, artists and designers can tap into a vast of generated art networking, allowing to explore the unique and captivating designs. Dolly, Midjourney, and more things is an impressive example of AI-powered softwares that excel in it. AI-generated logo software. Wow! Starting an AI-generated logo software business can be an exciting and promising venture in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. With the growing demand for visually appealing and distinctive logos, entrepreneurs can capitalize on AI technology to create innovative solutions for business and individuals seeking professional logo designs. An AI-generated logo software utilizes machine learning algorithms to generate logo based on user input and preference. Logo Genius is an AI-generated logo software that offers an innovative platform that utilize advanced AI algorithm to generate professional logos for businesses and individuals. For leveraging vast database of design elements, typography, colors, and styles, the software can swiftly generate a wide range of logos. Option trail to the client specification. This eliminates the need of manual design process and allow to rapid logo creations at a scale number. Let's jump into the number 7. AI generated content creation software. Embarking on AI generated content creation software business can be a lucrative and innovation as the demand for quality control content continue to grow. AI technology offer a solution to the challenges faced by copywriters such as time and write blogs. By leveraging AI algorithm, business can create content faster, most cost effectively, and with improved efficiency. ChatGPT is an AI generated content creation software that enables the swift generation of high quality control content, significantly reducing the time and resources required in the content creation process. Copywriters can utilize the software to produce a wide range of content, including blog posts, social media updates, advertisements, and attention-grabbing headline softwares. Algorithms analyze pattern, language structures, and user preferences to generate compiling and engaging content that resonate with the target audience. On the key advantages of AI generated content is its ability to optimize for audience engagement. The software can analyze data on audience behavior, preference, and interaction to provide valuable insights. This data driven approach businesses can now jump into the number 6. AI based chatbots. The creation of AI based chatbot business present a realistic and promising avenue for ChatGPT inspired ideas. Leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can train a chatbot to engage with both new and exciting users, existing users, and provide prompts and accurate response. On the key advantages of utilize ChatGPT and chatbot development is the ability to generate pre-made answers that emulate natural human conversation. This set a tone of authenticity and enhance the user experience, allowing your chatbot to stand out. Is highly seeking robust intelligent chatbot solution. By providing an AI-based chatbot, you can tap into this growing demand and offer a valuable service to business across various industries. Number 5. AI video generator software. The demand for capitative video content has soared in today digital landscape. Can text alone no longer sufficient to capture audience attention? To meet this growing need, the development of AI video generator software has become an incredible promising and trending business ideas. Brand and companies recognize the importance of creating impactful video content to engage their target audience. These understand that videos has the power to convey messages effectively and leave a lasting impression. That has led to search for a tangible resource in the realm of designs and content creation. Video Genius amplifies an AI video generator software that empowers user to transfer text-based content into capitative via video. AI video generator software provides a solution by enabling user to transfer text-based content into engaging interactive videos. With these tools, businesses and individuals can easily create compelling videos that are both informative, visually appealing. By leveraging AI algorithms, the software can generate animation, visuals, and audio elements that enhance the storytelling process and capitative views. The simplicity and accessibility of the AI video generator softwares make it an attractive option for business looking to create professional looking videos without extensive expertise in video editing or animation. Many people's lost jobs which are related to video generation. Number 4. AI based photo editing